Bitcoin starting to rise. So, how you doing this morning, party people? Are you feeling optimistic? Uh, I honestly, I'll give you my 2 cents worth here on this, and I don't think there's really any cause for celebration just yet. So, hate to burst your bubble, but this is going to be a week that what you think is going to happen probably isn't going to happen. There's going to be a lot of uncertainty. There's going to be a massive amount of gyration as I'm expecting. So let's go ahead and take a look at this. Now, in the last couple of days here, we've seen some pretty good runs on Bitcoin. It's to be expected that things would move, but we are moving predictably inside of a channel that I've had here for some weeks now. So, I mean, until we break out of these channels, are we really in a move or are we just continuing what was expected anyway? So we've had roughly about 22, 23% from the bottom here. When we bounced off the bottom, I mean, it was all but expected it would go up. So go ahead and attach your news that you like of the day to it. But nonetheless, we're still inside the formation. We're still moving like we were supposed to move in the beginning, news or no news. So let's go ahead and take a look and see here why I don't think there's cause for any kind of celebration just yet. Zooming out, I think you can pretty much get a feeling for what I'm talking about here already if you're looking at what I'm looking at. Let's go ahead and hide all the drawings here. You can see that we have not at all broke out of any kind of real formation. We're still in we're in an upward trend here in this head of the formation, but overall we are in a sideways motion here and we have not broken out of that yet. And so until we break past 22,250 or thereabout, we're not really in any new ground. Now, those of you who follow me and know formations and know the charts and the way that I look at these things, we have some very unique ways of looking at the charts, and we have some patterns that are not generally known. This is called an opening move. Now, an opening move always closes. To go back and kind of teach some of you guys that are new to my live stream, and by the way, my name is Red Baron, and I'm from Fibicharts.com and the unfairadvantage.chat. We'd love to have you join us on our free Discord. We'll talk about that here in just a minute. So an opening move is a characteristic of a computer. Computers don't ever do anything that they don't ever open something that they don't close it. So if you understand coding, coding works like this. If we are to open an HTML code of some sort, we have to close that in set of instructions. So if you look at the charts as a set of instructions, we've instructed this to go down. So what do we do after that? Well, we have to either go back up or have to continue this same amount of distance called velocity to go down. Now, Anubis Oracle, which is one of our AI-powered bots, is predicting a 20% chance of going back up here in a closing move. However, I'm telling you, with the general way the economy is moving right now, I'm not feeling all that optimistic about it. So currently right now, I would not be throwing down any bets on Bitcoin as far as anything that's real groundbreaking. I would just tell you that we're in the sideways move right here. And generally speaking, I would expect more often than not, I would expect to probably come back down here to this, what we call our dual AI line here, down here at the 19.5, 19.6 range. I think that probably for the next couple of days, we'll probably see some upward motion, but unless and until we break past this line right here at 25,250, I don't think we're in any kind of new ground that really is cause for celebration. So we're going to go ahead and do a few charts here today on a few little micro videos that I'm going to put out publicly because I want to generate a little interest and get you guys coming over to our free Discord. You can join us. Link in the description box below, by the way. We are at the unfair advantage chat. When you do that, that's our special little URL that takes you to our Discord. You'll see an invite from Red Baron. That's yours truly. I'd love to have you join a part of our free part of our Discord. And if you'd like to subscribe to our AR Power charts, you'd like to see what it is I do in my daily and hourly commentary on over 500 charts, you can do that by subscribing to our upper levels over at Fibicharts.com, F-I-B-I charts.com, and we'll talk about that later on in other videos, but you can see all the links in the description box below. So hang tight, kids. Going to be a fun week.